Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we've given this customer so much more than that of what they could have ever expected with this beautiful landscape transformation, putting in over 15 pallets of beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod that allow for them to be able to take back the landscape. Now, it didn't just start on the side of the house, and it didn't just start on the front side of the house. It also extended itself around the back side of the house. And as you can see within this landscape design, it gave this customer so much more value than that of what they could have ever expected, because it gave them a brand new yard. We're talking about instant gratification, brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, and we went with one of the best grass your money can buy. That's right, the beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. It's going to be a grass that is absolutely guaranteed to last, just based on the way that it grows. It doesn't grow like a Bermuda that takes itself up and it grows extremely fast upwards. Rather, this grass grows outwards, and it's what we call a creeping grass. So it's going to be able to spread on this landscape in an exceptional fashion for the customer, and it's going to give them an opportunity to be able to see this grass thrive. And as it becomes more resilient each and every year, they're going to be able to benefit from that. Now, this is all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we're helping homeowners right here in the Paulding County area solve their landscape drainage problems, and most importantly, give them an outdoor landscape solution for all their landscaping problems. And that's what we did today on this landscape for this customer. And it does say that if you're in a similar position and you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping will be able to give you a beautiful landscape design, as we've been able to do for this customer, and we'll be able to blow your mind as well. But it all says that all you have to do is click on the link below or go to www.quotemylandscape.com. Once again, that's www.quotemylandscape.com, and for yourself, you'll be able to see how we have continued to give our customers more than that of what they could have ever expected. You submit your free quote, we come out, and then most importantly, we give you a detailed line itemized quote that helps you better understand your landscape and gives you an opportunity to look just like this customer from the before and after video and absolutely transform your landscape.